The Clean Blast Pro handset is equipped with several features for easy operation. On the front of the device is where you attach our comprehensive portfolio of FCLT series cleaning kits. The device is attached to a 6-foot umbilical so that you can easily reach the connectors and ports within your work area. On the front of the handset is an LED that illuminates so that you can easily see the port that you're cleaning at the time. And on the back is an input for an optional extension handset for hard to reach areas. There are 2 buttons on the Clean Blast Pro handset on the top and the bottom that can perform different functions. If you go into the user menu, go into System Settings, Handset Settings, Button Configuration, you'll see 3 options. Dual button will initiate a firing sequence if you press both buttons at the same time. If you press just one of those buttons, it'll illuminate the flashlight. You go to top button. The top button will initiate firing while the bottom illuminates the LED. And of course, bottom button will activate the firing sequence on the bottom button, whereas the top button activates the LED. I'll go back to the top option for dual button. In addition to the handset buttons, you can also initiate the firing sequence using an optional foot control pedal that can be connected to the back of the device. And that's just a quick overview of the handset settings for the Clean Blast Pro.